Firstly, take the left and right locking arms and prepare them so they are in the correct place when they are attached to the curtain. Loosely fit the attachment in place using a 10mm spanner. Adjust the bolt so it's just touching the outer lip on the end plate. Repeat this on the opposite side. To load the curtain, place the bubble wrap used in the packaging and wrap around the axle. On larger curtains, 2 people and 2 sets of step ladders will be required. Position the curtain over the top of the axle and gently guide it into the guide channels. Allow the curtain to roll down to halfway. When at halfway, slide on the locking attachments. Ensure someone holds the curtain at all times. Place blocks on the floor for the bottom of the curtain to sit on. This will prevent it from hitting the floor and ensure if you are inside a garage that light can still come through and makes the curtain easier to remove should you need to. Lower the curtain to the floor and remove the bubble wrap. Move the axle collars to secure the locking arms and rivet into place.